Hello and welcome. Today I decided to make a video on very important and crucial topic, that is how to make money at home during the vacation for seafarers. So as we know, seafarers normally work 6 to 7 months on boats and rest of the time we stay at home. So I decided to make a video that will helpful for the seafarer who work on ships, how they make money at home during the vacation period. So I decided to make this video in three important points. So if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon so you can get the further notification of the next video. So I decided to make a video in three parts, that is beneficial for the seafarer, how to make money at home. So let's start this video by easiest way to make money during the stay at home. The easiest way is by online teaching. There are many websites where you can teach online and you can get money like $400, $500, nearly $300 per month. So you can check like Vedantu and many online teaching platforms. So there you can teach and make money. So it depends on your interest, what you like to teach and what you have knowledge. So it is one of the also way to make money at home during the vacation period. So this one also you can say that the part-time earning for seafarers, because we stay 5 to 7 months on boards. After we come back, so you can take extra time like 1 hour, 2 hours every day and teach online, and you can get easily money. So this one also one of the best way to make money at home. So this one is teaching. And now I decided to point one more point, that is crypto trading. So let's talk about crypto trading. Cryptocurrency trading, it is like a business, like something you buy and then sell. Like shopkeepers buy some clothes and after some getting earnings, some profits, and they sell. The same way there is an online platform of business that we call crypto trading. There is several coins. We buy coins, after some get benefits we sell coin. This is type of online business through which you can make little amount of money at home also. So cryptocurrency trading I not suggest you to do, but if you like to do, you can do. It is a very interesting and critical way to earn money, because nowadays you can say that Bitcoin making before 10 years before it's very less. Now it's very on peak. So you can invest in some money in the cryptocurrency and you can sell. Like it's buying and selling. It's same like shopkeepers buy something and sell. So you can also make money at home during the vacation period by trading of cryptocurrency. So this is also one of the way to make the money at home. Another and interesting way to make money for seafarers is like, as we know that seafarers almost work 6 to 7 months on boards. After that they get chance to vacation of 4 to 5 months. So we have enough chance at home. So another way to make money for seafarers, that YouTube channel. As we know that seafarers can get enough opportunity to travel different parts of the world, and they at even vacation also they enjoy go to the vacation different destination. So depend on your interest, what you like to do. You can create a YouTube channel and you upload on like daily blogging. Many of the seafarers travels a lot. They get opportunity to travel different countries, and even during the vacation period they go to different parts of the country and even abroad. So during this enjoying period of the vacation, you can make travel blogs like traveling blogs. You can also make a YouTube channel of education. And we know that seafarers stay at long time, so you can also create like education channel. During that education channel you can teach something, depends on your interest, what you like to teach and what you have knowledge. So YouTube channel is also one of the best way to make the money. Part-time earning, you can say that part-time earning of seafarers. This is also best way to make money. Nowadays you can see that many of the seafarers making videos, like you can see that Karanveer Nayyar, he is also my senior, he is also from Tulani. He even making $500-600 per month. So like ship seller Sunil, you can see his video. He is also one of the topmost earning from YouTube by seafarers. Like many seafarers, one of the Pakistan chief engineer, he also making on YouTube channels. So he used to upload many of the videos. So I can suggest that another way part-time earning of seafarer is like YouTube channel. You can create your own YouTube channel, and like you can make a travel blogging. You can make a like education channel. So this one also one of the best way and easiest way to make money by seafarers from YouTube. But I can say that from making YouTube money, it's very difficult. It will take time. But after you continuously uploading videos and videos and videos, after some time you will get sure success in the YouTube. So I can suggest that if you like to explore more, like many seafarer get exploring different parts, so you can make travel blogging and you can make education channels. I'd like to conclude the point what I talked. So I started with the online teaching, and after that I go to the crypto trading. After that I talked about the YouTube channel. So this is all about my today's point. So if you like to this video, please subscribe this channel and share to the other seafarers so that get chance to know about how to make money at home, like $400-500. That little amount of money will make great change in their life. So because of, as a junior officer, this $300 and $400 will also will be helpful for the seafarer. So if you like this channel video, please subscribe and share to the other seafarer. Thank you very much.